transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the United States government, and the National Weather Service. At around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, many reports of increasingly high temperatures across the state of Illinois. Temperatures are ranging from 125 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit being made across the planet. There were also disturbing reports of people suffering from excruciating pain from the hands of this catastrophic event. Hospitals are overflowing, and many fires have been reported from this extremely dangerous event. In addition, some rumors are stating that the size of the sun is getting bigger and bigger, but this has not yet been fully confirmed at this time. It is best to lock all windows and doors, and to have as much air conditioning as possible. Do not go outside. Doing so will be putting your life in extreme danger. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration are continuing to look into this investigation as more updates will become available. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.